क्या वाटर बॉटल किचन
Hi friends, I am back once again with the 11th week draw. So due to a small technical problem, we were not able to come on time. But again, with the technical problem solved, and we are back. Okay, the lockdown is being opened right now, but I request the people to maintain the social distance, sanitize your hands, wash your hands frequently, get vaccinated. This is a very most important thing which I want to suggest to you. Get vaccinated. So once you are vaccinated, you have got the immunity to fight against this virus. So request once again, get the vaccinated as early as possible. So this week is 11th week draw, starting from the 7th of June to 13th of June with 273 coupons. So we have around 273 coupons for the 1 week period. So this week we are giving away Microsoft inverter, a smart inverter with 1850 by 24 watts UPS. So this item, once there is a power cut, as you know, there are small problems across villages or other places also. But still, this inverter helps you out in getting the power back to you in time, so that the people in your home doesn't lose the important programs, or your children doesn't lose the time to read and study. So coming to this week, I want to brief you about our one more product. This is our one more product, Ragi Flour, Savitri Anugraha Ragi Flour. So the ragi is double cleaned, sorted, and then finally powdered to the required size, required granular size, you can say. So this is very soft in nature, so that you can have a ragi mudde, which is very well-known product consumed in south of Karnataka. Even this ragi helps you in boost your immunity also. As we have mentioned here, it's a gluten-free, rich in dietary fiber, and source of high protein. So this is a high protein food which helps you to fight against COVID. So do consume weekly once or twice our ragi flour, or you can consume daily based on your staple requirement as per your location based. So I request, try our ragi flour, Savitri Anugraha ragi flour at your nearest dealers available. And coming to our franchisee, so once again I want to mention you regarding to the franchisee that we are opening our franchisee pan across India. So you get an opportunity to distribute our products across your place based on the city location, like Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3 and Tier 4 city. Our people will guide you. For any more details, you can contact us or call us at 1800-200-3903. And one more thing, coming to other than the franchisee, we want to brief you that last 1 week we have almost done our social service work also. We have distributed around 2,000 foods to the needy people in and around the hospitals where there is a shortage of like lot of hotels. We have seen that hotels, restaurants are all mostly shut down. So due to which the people who come to the hospital, they have to carry their own food, and they have to provide the food to the people. So we were helping us as a friend for the frontline workers. We were helping the needy people, the food and water to almost 2,000 people. Every day we were the team of our staff, along with staff people like drivers, supervisors, marketing agents, as well as accountants. All these people, day by day, they all put together their efforts in distributing this food to the needy people. Not only the needy people, even we distributed our food to the police people who safeguard us on behalf of the government for the well-being of the people. So we should be very much thankful to the frontline workers like doctors, the cleaners, the police people, and all the frontline workers. I once again thank you so much from my bottom of the heart that you have helped us in covering, in helping, reducing the COVID cases. So as you can see, from 3.5 lakh COVID cases, today it has come down less than a lakh cases. So only due to the efforts what these people have done, the administrative people, whoever it is, I once again thank you them from bottom of my heart. So this week, one more thing I want to inform you is, I want to invite upon one of our chief guests who will be going to attend this lucky day. She is none other than my mother only. But before that one, before starting anything regarding to her, I request her, yeah, please. I request her, for any people to be known or their personality to be known to the people, it requires effort from the mother side also. So I am very much thankful that we have a mother, like she is the one who prepared us, who has built up, because the father will be attending his own work. So we learn certain things from the mother, the values of the people, the family values, all those things we can only learn from her only. So daily what we are serving you, but who is serving us on behind our sin is the mother. So once again, I thank my mother as well as all the mothers who are helping us in building their child very well. Growth of the child all depends on the mother, the well-being of the mother. So I invite upon my mother, Savitri Jayapradha, who is along with us for the today's lucky day. So once again, due to the language problem, I'm sure that a lot of people have said that there should be a small correction in the language also. I mean it, but due to my local behavior and local environment, I'm regularly used with the language called Kannada and Telugu only. So, but still trying my level best to adjust to my English language. Once again, Ellargu Namaskara, thank you. My mother is very much fluent in Telugu, so she will be able to talk in Telugu only.
Savitri Jayapradha. My husband is Savitri Purushottam.
So she has grown up in a very small place called Nandyal from Kurnool district, but still she is a very happy mother. I am very much thankful to her. With the blessings of her, what we are today, you can see us, and still we request you bless us with the same thing what you are blessing us from past these days. So now we go on for the lucky draw for this week. So this week we have 273 coupons. So the lucky dip for this week is Microtech inverter. Please start. We have almost delivered all the products to the lucky dip winners. Even one more thing I want to announce in this platform is, so already we are giving away 2 grams gold for the 50 tons booking of our single quality rice, and 5 grams gold for the 100 tons booking of single quality any of the products. So already a lot of people have got the gold as a gift hamper, and even the photos have been uploaded in our Facebook and other social media. Kindly do follow us in all the social media platforms. Number
2021066765.
So once again we announce this.
2001066765. 210675.
So, congratulations to the lucky winner. 202106765 is the lucky winner for today's week. This week. Once again, I wish you all the best. Keep buying our products. Keep following us. Thank you. Namaste.
అందరు మా ప్రొడక్షన్ అన్ని తీసుకోవాలని చెప్పి మాదందరు ఇష్టపడాలని చెప్పి ఈ సావిత్రి గ్రూప్ వాడు చేస్తున్నాము. SPS దాని తరపు నుంచి ఇవన్నీ వెరైటీస్ చేసినారు. మీరు అందరూ అభిమానిస్తారని మా మిల్లు అదంతా బాగా ఇచ్చేస్తారని దానికోసం నేను చాలా ఇచ్చేసుకుంటున్నాను. చాలా సంతోషము. ఇది ఎవరికో ప్రైజ్ వచ్చింది, ఫస్ట్ నేనే తిన్నాను కాబట్టి మీ సంతోషానికి నా ఇది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నమస్కారము.